Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, what up, y'all? What up, y'all? This your boy LC the One, baby. LC the One to be exact. That is AKA Illmatic 124, and not the motherfucking gang numbers, man. But my actual jersey number I wore when I was in high school, and my warm up jerseys on the back of my motherfucking chair right over there. But hey, man, I done tried, man. I tried everything I could, man. I looked at a lot of YouTube videos, man, and I did all my tests on it, and I don't know what's stopping the power from surging up. You know what I'm saying? To you know, get this thing back functioning. You know, I just pulled the power cord out. You see what I'm saying? I just pulled that out. Wait till the light go off on here. It should. See the red light? It's still on. I don't know what's going on, you know, but all the capacitors, these little black things right here, those are the capacitors, like those little circle things right there at the top. And ain't none of them looking like they bad or anything like that, but they said I can go, you know, and replace these by, going like to a Radio Shack or something like that, and getting the capacitor and, propping it back on. But I'm not gonna do all that, man. I'm just gonna take it to a TV repair place and let them deal with it, man, because I ain't got time to be doing all that anyway. But, you know what I'm saying? I checked all the things that I think that it may be that's stopping it from powering on. So I just took the power cord out. It may be the power cord itself. No telling, you know. But, hey, man, I tried everything I could. So I'm going to put this power cord back in. And it just sparked on. But this is what it looked like when it's trying to come on. See that little blink? Let me do it for y'all again, man. Because I don't know what it is. You see, y'all gonna see a blink. That's it. That's all I get. So I checked everything, man. I pulled all the cables out. All the cables. Pulled these cables out right up here. This little cable right here, this is for the control panel. Yeah, I pulled that out, and this was like the motherboard for the control panel. I actually pulled that cord out and stuff like that and snapped it back in place, because they said, a guy was saying on his channel that you could reset it by pulling out the control panel, I guess part was cable, and, unpower your power, from the socket and then plug it back in with this cord, and then turn it back on. But it don't do anything. See, if I pull it out right here, it turns it off red. It turn the red light off. You know what I'm saying? Now I plug it back in, then it's gonna do the same thing it did. When I took it apart, it's back red. So if I try to power it up, it's gonna blink and flash. See? No power. I don't know what happened. All I did was turn it off last night. It could be some heat or something. I don't know what's going on with it. So I'm going to put the thing back together, man. And we're going to take it to the shop, man. And in the meanwhile, I'm just going to buy another TV, man. I buy another 32-inch TV. LED TV, same thing. You know what I'm saying? And that's it. So now I'm just going to connect everything back in place. Everything's supposed to be. Okay? So, we're going to do that for about 18 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to end this vlog. You know what I'm saying? Because I can't have it too long and stuff. And I'm going to do this at where I'm going to give y'all part 1, part 2. They're going to talk about all together. So, I'm going to just start bolting stuff back together. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all can see me doing that. This is right here this screw right here is for the actual the power control board, motherboard, panel. Well, I am kind of handy, you know what I'm saying? So y'all know I'll be doing stuff like this. Y'all see me with my iPhone. So, I'm going to put that back. Just screw this back in and stuff. Let's put everything back, man, and then, when I buy the new TV, I'm going to take it to a repair shop. I'm going to buy a new TV first. You know, before I do that. I got my little TV in the room, so that'll just do me fine. You know, ain't nothing like some peace and solidarity. So every day I just come in, just press it and see if it'll come on. If not, you know, it is what it is. So I'm finna put everything back the way it was. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Gonna take a little time putting all this stuff back together. You know? So, bear with me, man, while I take care of the business. So, I gotta put the base back on, too. And it's 9 o'clock, man. I just got off work trying to fuck with this shit. You know what I'm saying? So, I gotta put this back on, too. The base back on. So, I gotta remember how I did that shit. Well, I'm gonna put the speaker stuff back on first. Let me take my glasses on so I can just go ahead and focus and do this shit. You know what I'm saying? So, I'll put this thing back on first. So this is where the bass, it sits on that. You know, this part right here. So, yeah, man. Speakers, they already intact. See what I'm saying? Let's push that back in like that. You know what I'm saying? This plug right here plugs right in here for the speakers and stuff. So all I gotta do is just start, you know, putting everything back the way it was. And you know, we good, baby. You know what I'm saying? And, hey, take it to the shop and, you know, see if they could do their thing to it. You know, cause I tried, man. And it's like I didn't expect all this. You know, but this shit happens, man. I don't know what's going on, but I know it's because of that damn heat, though. I know that for a fact. So, we're gonna put everything back, man. Everything back the way it was. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to make sure I line this thing up the right way. Because, you know, I do stuff the right way. You dig? Yeah. Shit is crazy though, man. It's crazy. It's always something going on, man. I swear. Always something going on. Trying to make sure I got this thing the right way. But this plug right here is throwing me off. There we go. That's supposed to be up and down. I think up and down. And you definitely want to be careful when you're repairing stuff. You know, just try to do everything how it was, put everything back the way it was. Don't that go like that? No. Nope, that don't go right there. Damn. This cord throwing me off. But I can see the cord housing is right here. And that slaps back in place like that. This right here is for the cord. So ladies, if y'all ever need a handyman, I'm available. I'm talking about to be with you, you know, period. Because I was the only man in my crib with my daughter mother to sit with me. So I had to fix every damn thing. FYI. Shit. There wasn't no other person in there but me. Me, my daughter, and her mama. And I have to do everything, man. So we put all that back in place. See? The cord right there. And this big piece go on top. But before we do all that, we got to put all the screws back in position. You know, I can put this base back on now. So that's left right in like that. I should put some screws up here first just to hold it down. So I'm gonna put some screws in this bracket right here. It's 2 of them real quick. So we can bolt it back down, bolt that tight while I try to fasten. That's the same screw. While I try to fasten this base back on. I could get a TV tomorrow, but I got other bills and stuff. So that's what I'm saying. I wasn't prepared for this shit. You know, nobody be prepared for shit like this when it happens. You know, this shit just happened. You know, I'm like, damn, threw me all the way off. You know, I wasn't even prepared. I wasn't even expecting this. This may be the wrong screw. And I'm tired and shit. I done worked 10 days straight, man. Plus overtime. You know? It's always something. If I didn't have to do this, I probably would have worked today. With the overtime, because they, you know, the OG, he said, man, they needed people and stuff. And I always try to make myself available, but damn, see, shit like this be happening all the time, man. The last time, it was my radiator, and I wanted to make sure I got home, you know, for my pet, you know, because I didn't want my pet to die up in this motherfucker and shit, you know, until they hooked the radiator back up, and then my fucking TV. Now it's this, you know, and I had plans on vlogging, well, you know, doing the gameplay and shit, so now I gotta do something, and I can't even do my music. I can play it on my keyboard, but it still ain't the same effect, so all I'm gonna be able to do is vlogs until I fix this problem, get a new damn TV, man, this shit is crazy. You know, but it's always something, man, that's stopping your boy's success. You know? Yeah, but shit. But this, I remember this old white dude had came in the job, you know what I'm saying? One day he was like, you gotta go through it. I'm like, man, dog, shit, I done been through it, cuz, for real. 10 years of being solo in this crib can drive a man insane. I don't think too many men can deal with what I've been dealing with. All type of rowdy neighbors and shit, and you know, being alleged to do shit and you ain't did nothing, you innocent and shit, and you know what I'm saying? I done been through it, Jack. For real, my dude. And it's like, I can't take no more, man. I just can't take no more, man. You know, it's too much, you know. For one person, you know, to be dealing with, man. I can't deal with no more. You know, and it's like my uncle was telling me, like, man, you gotta pray. I be praying hard, man, like, and I just want a girlfriend. You know what I'm saying? I could have moved into a nice ass house or something. But I don't want to move in no house by myself, but it seems like that's the route it's going. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, damn, you know, I don't think I'm a bad guy. You know, everybody got faults, but it's like, shit, I work hard too. That's the main thing. I work my ass off. Y'all see me working right now. You know, I do shit like this, you know. Like I said, I was the only man in the crib. For all those years we was together, me and her mother, you know, and I did everything. Had to carry bags up the stairs, you know, take the big ass laundry clothes down to the, you know, bring all that shit back upstairs and, you know, shit, groceries and shit, man. I had to do everything, Jack. You know, take the dog outside, watch the dog. Man, I did a lot, man. I did a lot. I did a whole lot, man. You know, so yeah, but you know, it is what it is, man. I just wish I could find a girl, you know, a good woman that could be with me, man. You know what I'm saying? And I treat her right, like I treated my little mother. And, you know, she just, you know, we just grew apart, I guess, and she wanted something else. But we finna get up out of here, man. This your boy LC the One, baby. LC the One to be exact, that is, AKA Illmatic 124, and not the motherfucking gang numbers, man. But my actual jersey number I wore when I was in high school, and my warm-up jerseys on the back of my motherfucking chair. Like I always say, man, keep it pimping and avoid slipping, because they will get your motherfucking ass like they got me if you slip on that motherfucking banana peel. You dig what I'm talking about, man? And like I always say, Church on the Reverend, God, we gone. Before we leave, shout out to my LC Nation, my LC gang. I need y'all like this video, share this video, comment on this video, man. And most importantly of all, man, subscribe to my YouTube channel, man, and turn that notification bell button on to get more exclusive dope content from Pimp Play Gangsta Hustle, all about minds, baby. And like I always say, Church of Rev God, we going to 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1, church. And now, and no telling when I'm gonna be back on with the TV, with no vlogs and all that shit. But I'm gonna pay my Infinity bill in November, so. Shit, I might not be able to get the game, so I'm gonna get a TV. So at least we'll be back online and I can stream some of my old shit until then. But I'm gonna holler at y'all later, baby. Church in them.